So as you can see, we have to put another free wheel over here, and a bottom cuff is given. So first of all, we have to remove the free wheel axle. Sorry, we have to first remove the axle from the tire, and then we have to put a bigger axle which is provided in the kit. So I'll quickly remove it. First you need to remove the supporters below, and then you need to remove the main. So this is the bigger axle that is given to us from the kit which we have ordered, and I would like to thank HK Robotics for sending the kit. The WhatsApp number and everything will be in the description, as well as it will be shown on your screen. So as you can see over there, you have to remove the second screw, and you have to make sure that not a single bearing comes out, because inside the hub, if there will be no bearings, then it will not be able to rotate the axle. So it will take some time for you to remove the axle, because it's not that easy, because what happens is there is a lot of oil or grease, you can see, so it will keep slipping from your hand. So what you can do is you can put the drill machine, some chuck on the axle, and then you can just rotate it in reverse direction, and you can do it. I did not do because my drill machine's battery was dead, that's why. So like this you have to remove it, and as you can see I have removed it, and you have to remove the axle carefully and make sure that not a single bearing comes out. You can see your bearing came out, so you have to put it if it comes out. And now I'll put the new axle. And now you have to put the nut provided from the kit, which will help the bearings from not coming out. Sorry, I just put the wrong nut, it will not work. So I'll quickly reset. And you have to adjust that the side where the second free wheel will be there, the axle of that side should be a bit longer. In the other side free wheel, which you can see, that I had made it before, because I was working on this project since 3 months, so there were many problems, so that's why I welded it, but now it is not coming out, so I just let it be there. You can use it, but if you have like that, it will be better. But since that free wheel was jammed and I couldn't remove it, so that's why I just kept it like that. So this fitting is the most important part of any electric cycle, and then as you can see you have to put it nicely. It will take some time, so I have to tighten it from both the ends. And happy Diwali to everyone from Marin Mankala and team. So here where I am tightening it, and it's almost over. As you can see, the side where the other free wheel will be kept, the axle of that side is a bit more longer. So you need that only, because that then the stand will also come, then the motor clamp will also come. So all that will come. So you can see finally I have put the axle. And now it's time to put the bottom cuff. So in the starting I did not know the name, then I went to the cycle shop and asked. The worker over there told me. So you have to tighten it nicely. And then you have to put the washer, which will prevent collision of two free wheels. You just have to align it and put it nicely. And here's the free wheel that was provided to us in the kit. Here I will put it. Now this is done, so let's go into the fitting part. So as you can see, here I will put it. And here I put it. It took me some time, so that's why I paused the video and did.
So as we had fixed the motor, so now we'll fix the brake, accelerator, headlight and other things. But before starting, I have a question for you. Which is the world's most famous spelling mistake? So if you know the answer, you can let me know in the comment section below. So first of all, we'll be fixing the headlight, which is over here. So over you can see, here is an indicator of for the battery. And here are the two holders where screws are given. So let's quickly untighten the screw and put it over here. So I have loosened the screws, they are over here. So now what you need to do, just keep the screws somewhere in a safe place, and then you need to put this headlight like this. So over here, since in my cycle this frame is very thick, I will be putting it on the side. So you just have to open this and then you can adjust it. So for me over here it is okay. So I'll just turn it over this side and I'll put the screws and get back to you. So as you can see, I have put the headlamp tighten. Now we have to put this brakes over here. So for that we need to remove this brake. So let's remove it first. So for this I am using a 5 number Allen key. So you just have to loosen this screw over here. So I'll just loosen it. So after loosening, the brake will come out. Then you need to just turn it, and then over here you will get two like this, and then you have to pull it and you have to remove the brake wire from here. So it will take it will be a bit difficult because you have to match this hole and then only you have to remove it. So like that you have to remove the brake wire. So now as you can see, I have put the brake wire over here of this. So similarly over here also I will remove this. So I have removed it, and now I will just remove this sides also. So as you can see, it has come out very nicely. Now let's fix the new brake. So first of all I will take this brake, and so this is of this side. So this side is for the back brake. So what you have to do is you have to open this and then keep this aligned. After that you just have to take it out, lock this over here, and then just pull it, put it over here, and your brake is ready. Now just adjust it according to your comfort and then just tighten it. So I am just keeping it a bit loose now because after adding the throttle and the handles, we will decide. So I will fix another brake and be back to you. So now as you can see, I have fixed both the brakes over here. So the next thing we have to fix is this throttle and this handle. So first of all, the throttle will be on this side. So what we have to do, we have to take a 3 number Allen key and then first we have to loosen this end over here like this, because there is a lock over here which will tighten it. Then I'll just remove this rubber band like this, and you have to put the throttle, and the horn switch will be down, and then from you have to tighten the screw from the back. So this is the maximum level of the throttle, so I'll just tighten it. And then we will take the 5 number Allen key. We will just adjust it according to it. So since I'm comfortable putting them like this, I will put it like this. So I'll just tighten it. So we have fixed the brake and the throttle over here. So now about the second one, the another one, we will just put, you just have to put pressure and this will go inside automatically. So like this you have to just push it. So the brake was just a bit loose. So I'll fix this and just be back to you. So now as you can see I have fixed this. So now I'll just put the brakes over here. So I'll just put it. So make sure that you keep everything tight. So now this is done, and the next one is the key lock. So this keychain will not be included. I have added my own keychain. So this key lock is like this. You can put it anywhere you want. So I will be putting it somewhere over here. So I'll just tape it quickly. So for that I am using a PVC tape. So I'll just open it. And over here I will start taping it. So over here I'll put it and be back to you. So now as you can see I have fixed this in the middle. So now we can just put your key and start it like a motorcycle. So now this is done, and the last thing is to fix this motor controller. So I have made a special box over here from a iron steel shop. So I'll just show you. I'll open the screw. So this box was fully open. I have covered it with the sheet of PVC pipe. And over here I will be putting the battery. So the battery is this one. So I am using a 12 volt 7.5 ampere UPS battery. So I'll be using two of them, and I will connect them, and it will become a 24 volt battery. So the battery would be placed here like this. So as you can see, and from here the wiring will come and go from here. And here the controller will be stated, which will be inserted from inside. So let me quickly do it and get back to you. So now as you can see I have fixed the controller inside. Since the connections I couldn't see, so I have taken a photo over here. So over here all the connections are listed. I'll also tell you in the video step by step. So first of all, the this is the wire of the brakes. So what you have to do, that since there is only one slot given for the brakes, so we have to join the wires. So over here you can see there are two wires for the brakes. So what we will do, we will cut one socket over here. So over here we will just cut like this, and over here also we will cut like this, and then we will just peel the wire. So over here we will peel the wire with the help of a plier, and then we will attach them with the socket. So I'll attach it and show it to you. So here I have joined both the wires into one. So now in this, for the brake, it is showing thin black and thin yellow wires. So the image will be displaying on your screen. So thin black and thin yellow is this. So from here I will just insert this wire and I'll lock it. Then after that comes our throttle's wire. So this is for the buzzer, which is the horn inside this, and the throttle. So for throttle it is very easy. There will be one 3-pin wire. You just have to connect it like this, and you are done. And after that there are these wires. This is of the headlight, this is of the buzzer, and this is of the headlight. So now instead of connecting this, what I am doing is, over here in this wire only I will be attaching the wire of the buzzer. So now I'll show it to you how. So over here I'll just put a small cut. So over here I'll just put a small cut like this, and I will open it. So I'll use a cutter. So over here I'll just open it like this. And I will open it. Over here I'll make another cut like this, so that it gets opened. So over here it is. Now from here I will cut the wire and I will directly attach it to the throttles one. So again like this I'll cut it and I will attach it.